In this video, I'm going to put our portafilter stand onto the niche grinder. Now let me show you how this is done. So I take the cup off, and then this little stand comes off, and then there's a bolt right here. And if I go and I use an Allen key to take that bolt out, that bolt now makes a handy place to put this in the right position. And what I want to do is put a hole here with a drill and then secure it in place like so. Putting it so that the edges here of the stand were about where the edges there worked out well, and that was centered and made a mound in the center. So I'm first going to put a pilot hole in. I put a small thing here, and this here, I'm going to do this over the top. So my goal is to try and get that in the center, slightly above where the other holes are. So now what I need to do is enlarge this hole. It's still just a little bit too small. Hex 4mm. I just do that and then put that in, and now I can just grind coffee. One thing you'll notice about the grinding directly into the portafilter is the chaff comes out at the end and kind of sprays to the edges. I used a little WDT tool to break up the mound and spread it evenly. So that's how I modified my niche grinder to use a decent portafilter stand and grind directly into a portafilter.